In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Bill.com with QuickBooks Online. Connecting these two platforms is a fantastic way to streamline your financial processes, saving you time and reducing the risk of manual errors. Bill.com is a leading cloud-based platform for managing bill payments, while QuickBooks Online is a powerful accounting software. By integrating the two, you'll enable seamless data flow between your accounts payable and accounting systems. If you don't already have a Bill.com account, you can use the link in the description to get started. Now let's dive right into the steps. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure you're in the correct company file before proceeding. Once you're logged in, locate the search bar at the very top of your screen and click on it. In the search field, type My Integrations and select it from the results that appear. This will take you into the Integrations area of your QuickBooks account. Next, navigate to the Find Integrations tab within the Integrations section. Here you'll see a search field that allows you to browse available apps. Type in Bill.com or just Bill and hit Enter. In the search results, look for the official Bill.com app. Once you've located it, click to open its app page. On the app page, take a moment to review the details. You'll find important information about the integration, including its benefits, how data sync works, and the permissions required. This is a great way to understand exactly how the connection will enhance your workflow. When you're ready, click the Get App Now button to begin the connection process. At this point, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Bill.com account. Enter your credentials and follow the on-screen instructions. Next, confirm the QuickBooks Online company file you want to connect to Bill.com. It's essential to ensure the correct file is selected to avoid any confusion later on. Once you've confirmed the company file, you'll need to grant the necessary permissions for the integration to work securely. This step ensures that both platforms can communicate with each other and exchange data as needed. After granting permissions, you may be prompted to configure sync preferences. This includes settings for vendor management, your chart of accounts, and bill approvals. Adjust these preferences to suit your business needs. When you've completed these steps, follow the remaining on-screen instructions to finalize the connection. Once the integration is complete, it's a good idea to verify that everything is working correctly. Check that data is syncing between Bill.com and QuickBooks Online as expected. Finally, if you ever need to review your integration settings or disconnect the app in the future, simply return to the My Integrations area in QuickBooks Online. And that's it. You've successfully connected Bill.com to QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.